Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we embrace nature, not chemicals. Today's message is a cautionary one, and it might surprise even the most seasoned kitchen gardeners. You've likely seen or even tried homemade garden sprays using dish soap to get rid of aphids, mites, or fungus gnats. They're everywhere on the internet, but what no one tells you is that soap, especially the kind most people use, might be slowly killing your soil and damaging your garden's delicate ecosystem. Let's clear one thing up. Not all soaps are created equal. Most store-bought dish soaps are not real soap at all. They're detergents filled with synthetic surfactants, degreasers, and antibacterial agents. These substances are designed to cut through grease and sterilize surfaces. That's great in your kitchen sink, but in your kitchen garden soil, it's a silent disaster. Here's what happens when you regularly use these soaps in your insect sprays or soil drenches. First, they disrupt the balance of your soil microbiome. Beneficial microbes, fungi, and bacteria, the very life forms that break down organic matter, fix nitrogen, and feed your plants, are incredibly sensitive to chemical detergents. A few applications might not be noticeable, but over time you'll see your soil becoming less rich, more compacted, and harder to nourish. Second, soap solutions harm earthworms and other beneficial soil dwellers. Worms are essential to aeration, composting, and nutrient cycling in your garden. They breathe through their skin, and when that skin is exposed to harsh soaps, they suffocate or flee. No worms, no healthy soil. Third, soap sprays can damage plant tissues if used during strong sunlight or too frequently. You might see leaf burn, stunted growth, or yellowing, not from pests but from your own efforts to stop them. So what should you do instead? If you want to control soft-bodied pests naturally, opt for a true castile soap made from natural oils like olive or coconut. Use it sparingly, just a few drops in a quart of water. Even better, explore plant-based alternatives like neem oil, garlic spray, or even a simple jet of water to dislodge pests without harming your soil. Another fantastic option is encouraging natural predators. Ladybugs, lacewings, and even birds can help keep pest populations in check without needing you to intervene harshly. The key is to treat your soil as a living system, because it is. Every time you add something synthetic, even in small amounts, you're not just solving a pest problem. You may be disrupting the very foundation your plants depend on. So if you've been using soap sprays regularly, consider giving your soil a break. Focus on compost, mulch, and microbial teas to revive what may have been lost. Your plants, and the life beneath them, will thank you. If you found this insight helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Gentle Herb Living, and share it with your fellow gardeners. Let's spread awareness and grow gardens that thrive with nature, not against it.